my god.
Alright vlog, good morning. I'm eating pizza rolls. Oh my god. Oh!
It is a lot of fun.
Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna start off by off-roading, so we found a little dirt lot that has some puddles from the rain yesterday.
Hopefully it'll roll it.
Oh!
I get what I want. Lately been spinning a bag. Addicted to getting that cash. Addicted to popping them tags. Money was made for the sad. Now my ex bitch calling back. Saw me come up out the random. Didn't wait long, I just don't attention. Friends fell in love when I'm feeling the fame. My DMs talking about
That thing doesn't even turn.
It doesn't turn. Oh my god, you lose control.
From earth, I feel like a Martian. Matter of fact, bitch, I came from a starship. My bed feel like a coffin. Not waking up if I
Oh god.
Look at that footstep.
I just want to know who's gonna clean this.
I don't want it to roll.
I don't want it to roll either, Spence.
We'll keep it rolling. There's a little jump.
No, we're not jumping the...
Oh my god! 2020 Tacoma, let's jump it.
Let's jump it.
That's a jump.
Oh god. The wheel was turned way more than it was actually turning. So by the time it actually caught grip again, it started spinning. You can do donuts right here. We'll back up cam. The slippery when wet sign was out.
What?
It did?
Yeah.
Slippery when what's on it?
That's exactly what it is.
It's gonna roll us. Everyone lean the other way. Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is terrifying.
We're so focused on not letting it roll.
I don't know where you're going.
Spencer's turn. I left him in the middle of nowhere. Oh, this kid's actually gonna get this killed. My dad's freaking out. He's holding onto a handle and like the center console. We'll let this man drive.
Watch the jump. Oh my god. That's terrifying.
Oh my goodness gracious.
He missed the water. He just went straight.
Go.
Oh!
Oh!
It doesn't turn.
Oh god, it turns.
It turns once you're out. You like my donuts?
Do you have your driver's license?
No. Oh, I don't either.
That's good. So do a quick fire drill if cops show up?
No, we would all just run. We would leave the car and all run separate ways.
Come and go with the cat. You gon' learn that shit fast. They gon' fold on the ass. I get my medicine straight out the bag.
Brand new Corvette come to smashing the glass. They made me mad, now I'm back in my bag. I hope my man and my side never crash. Why by the cat trying to dodge my pass? We catch that boy and we robbing his ass. It's the principle, I don't need the cash. Just spit some bitches, $500,000 on lashes. I can kick it, but I don't like to.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, he got it back on.
Spencer's a really good singer. Put on something that you want to sing to, Spence. Oh, you've never sang for the vlog?
I don't think he's ever sang for the vlog before.
We have to get to 10K first.
Okay, at 10K, Spencer will sing. That house is huge, actually.
It's huge and beautiful, and it's booger green.
It's a Shrek house.
Up from out the corner. I'm the one out here doing what I wanna. My little bro ran it up on marijuana. Grind in the winter, turn up in the summer. Track off a sport, I press it, then I launch.
Let's go! Only OGs remember this. But if you do, comment down below what video it was. You remember what video it is?
I do.
Do you?
I won
No.
$50 on that video.
Yeah. Yeah, that video cost me a good amount of money.
Free lunches, got suspended me and Granny Hunch. House up on the hill, I used to want it. Now I got it, I don't need
And now we're gonna get a car wash?
I get it, I don't play.
Alrighty guys, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new. Share with a friend, means a lot. It's the only way we can grow out here. Share with a friend, please, please, please.
Whoop it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to.
Look at the sky.
Beautiful.
Crutches. Oh, another one for good luck. Ah! Ah, every single time. Ah!